Hello my dear student, I am Mashik Shankar and welcome to the complete video editing course. In this course, at first we talk about the basic interface of Sony Vegas Pro software. Then we learn how to create project and add media, how to cut and delete video, adding text in our video. Then we learn how to add different type of effects in our text, adding different type of transition effect in our video, flip or mirror our any video, adding slow motion effect, zoom in and zoom out slowly, video effects, especially film effect, adding different type of random effect, color correction of our video, changing voice of our any video, add background music, remove noise from our video, convert any video to MP3, edit your intro template, edit your outro template, render your final edited video, and much more. In advanced editing section, we are working with green screen production. We also learn how to clone yourself. Make your video like a Hollywood film. Make lower thirds. Create a thumbnail without Photoshop.